The School of Design and Technology at London College of Fashion is a space for creative exploration, where the combination of traditional crafts and new technologies allow for meaningful change in the fashion industry. With courses specialising in fashion design, textiles, footwear and accessories, jewellery, sportswear, lingerie, tailoring and more, we're here to support the creatives of tomorrow.
As a student on any of our courses, you can expect a truly diverse learning experience, with a combination of classroom-based seminars, lectures, workshops, practical demonstrations, and varied assessment methods. You'll develop more advanced skills each year.
The fashion industry is evolving faster than ever. While we continually adapt our curriculum to keep pace with these rapid changes, we also place great value on our rich heritage, preserving and celebrating traditional craftsmanship. At London College of Fashion, you'll gain specialist expertise to bring your ideas to life in new and innovative ways, while also exploring fashion from a theoretical perspective, examining it as a key marker of social and cultural change.
Through our links of industry, you'll benefit from guest lectures by renowned names and have the opportunity to engage with real-world briefs, expanding your creative network before you even graduate. With a focus on sustainability, social equity and inclusive practices, you'll work closely with our academic and technical teams who will encourage you to take risks, test ideas and imagine bold new concepts for the future of fashion in our more than human world. And where better to do it than at our modern campus located in the heart of Stratford, London.
Through a combination of college-wide and course-specific facilities relating to your chosen specialism, you'll learn to work safely with industrial machinery and equipment, enabling you to problem-solve creatively and apply your skill with confidence.
You'll also have access to resources such as our library, print studios, garment store, and not forgetting our digital learning lab. This space is home to a wide range of technologies, including 3D printing, 3D garment visualization, motion capture, virtual, augmented, and mixed reality, and so much more, providing you with endless opportunities to push the boundaries of what's possible in your creative work.
The School of Design and Technology is where tradition meets innovation.
We believe the future of fashion belongs to those who dare to experiment, challenge convention, and create with purpose.
Here you'll find the facilities, networks, and opportunities to develop your craft so that by the time you leave us, you'll be ready to launch your career in fashion.